Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a VAT bill in Tally. First, navigate to Tally's company features and enable the value added tax option. Next, you'll need to set up your tax classifications and define the specific VAT rates applicable to your products. It's also crucial to verify that all your company details, like your tax identification number, are correctly entered and up to date for accurate billing. Now, let's create the necessary ledgers and stock items. Set up a sales ledger and link it to the correct VAT classification. Then, define each of your stock items, making sure to include their respective HSN or SAC codes. Crucially, assign the precise VAT rate to every single stock item. This ensures Tally calculates the tax correctly when you make a sale. With your setup complete, you're ready to record a sales invoice. Go to Accounting Vouchers and select a new sales entry. Choose your customer and then select the stock items they are purchasing. Tally will automatically calculate and apply the appropriate VAT based on your previous configurations. This streamlines the process, ensuring accuracy in your billing. Finally, it's time to generate your VAT bill. Before printing, review the VAT computation report to confirm all figures are accurate. Then, proceed to print the sales invoice. Make sure the printed bill clearly displays all necessary VAT details, including the tax amount, rates, and your company's VAT registration number. This ensures compliance and clarity for your customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.